Husqvarna 120 Mark II here with a 16-inch bar. The 120 Mark II is considered to be a homeowner saw. It's supposedly very good for firewood cutting, limbing, that type thing after maybe storm damage. As far as doing this type work day in and day out, I wouldn't recommend it. This saw will be great for the guy that's like me that has to cut 1 or 2 trees a year or maybe clean up after a storm. Husqvarna offers some really great saws for that guy that's actually doing this for a living. I am by no means a professional. Just enjoy doing some of the work around my house myself. Things you should take in consideration when sawing down a tree of this size with a smaller homeowner saw. Of course, it's going to take me a little longer, smaller bar, less RPMs. Taking my time to do it, I'm in no hurry. Basically, once I cut the tree down, limb it up, haul it off, you're looking at maybe 3 tanks of gas is what it ended up taking me. While dragging limbs, I would let the saw cool off. Not that that helps or hurts. I just felt like with that small a saw, I didn't want it to get too hot. All in all, I have no complaints for the little saw. I use the same chain from start to finish with no trouble whatsoever. As I said before, we went through around 3 tanks of fuel, which I would let the saw cool off while I drag limbs. As far as the handling of the saw, super lightweight, didn't ever give me out by the end of the day. I mean, I still felt fine from running it, where with a bigger saw, you would know that it would get to you after a little bit. But all in all, really great saw, got the job done, got everything cleaned up. Thanks for watching.